I have a number of Binnie axles and wheel sets to put together. Some I've already done, but I've got quite a few more to do. So to make it easier, I thought I'd make a small jig. So what I've done on my laser cutter is cut out this jig, and there's a spot for the exact width for a Binnie axle, and this distance here is the correct back to back for the wheels. So as you'll see, get an axle, it'll just drop in there nicely. So what I do is get the wheel, just push it on, and just probably just over 2 mil through. Then put the other wheel on, just like that. Then I drop it into the frame, and it's just a simple case of pushing those in either side, checking it rotates. Yep, and that puts the wheels exactly central on an axle. And then just to finally secure, I just, on the end of a bit of wire, I'll get a little bit of super glue and just dab it around the axle there and let that go off. And that way, and then just to get the axle out, it's got a couple of bits of old MDF, screwdriver will do. And I just wiggle it up out of the frame, and that gives you one gauged and centralised axle. Hopefully it might be of interest.